guys, so I'm just gonna take Ozzy out really quickly. He's got to do his business. I just came home a little bit early. I left at 3, so I'm just at home right now. I ended up doing a full sugar Brazilian today, which was really cool. I'm pretty happy that I got through it. So yeah, funny enough, it's not painful as hard wax. So yeah, I think I love the sugar more. And I know this is like TMI, but I feel like I'm like 1 shade lighter down there. So it like exfoliated really good. So I don't know, I personally like it. The last time I did it, I couldn't do like the labia, and so this time I did like the full sugar Brazilian, and I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So yeah, have you guys ever had a Brazilian before? If so, have you ever had a sugar Brazilian before? Question mark. But let me go take Ozzy out. Alright guys, so I'm done with my juicing. I'll see you in the morning. Alright guys, so me and Richard just came back from Ross, and we ended up getting these Christmas bags because we're going to Tucson, and we're doing Secret Santa, so with his family, and then I'm also doing Secret Santa at my work. I also got this. It's a dry brush and a body souffle peppermint scent, so I got that. And then I just got some of these. And then we got a candle, so let me show you. I just love having candles. I have a bunch of them, so pretty happy.
A little different than all the rest.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna be finishing this vlog here. I know that it really wasn't a lot. I've been so busy this whole week, so for me to have filmed anything, I was just like, oh my god, like I don't know what to film because I was just so busy all the time. So I really didn't bring out like my camera or anything like that, but I just wanted to let you know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to actually start another channel, and what this channel is going to do is basically, it's like it's kind of like showing you places like in Vegas, apartments, all these. I have so many ideas for it, and it's going to be separate because I love doing the vlogs and stuff. So every time I mix like apartments, like where to look for and stuff like that, I feel like it's just like mixing, and it's just like I want my channel to be just on like vlogs and what I do on a daily basis with Ozzy, with my husband and stuff like that. like where we go, like if we go on a trip or something, it's going to be based on my channel. But the second channel is basically gonna be like wherever I go. Like if I go back to Australia to see my family, I'm gonna show you like the shops, Gold Coast. I'm gonna show you Brisbane, like how it looks. If you do want to live there, I'm gonna show you like apartments. I'm gonna show you how much everything is. I'm gonna show you transportation. So that channel is basically gonna be kind of like a travel channel and showing you like different places and stuff like that. And that includes like food, apartments, attractions and stuff like that. So it's going to be based on literally just travel. And then my account, my YouTube account, my main one is just going to be about me, my vlogs, my day-to-day and stuff like that. So I want to have it separate. And obviously the reason why I'm doing that is because they're both two different things and I just don't want those to merge. You know what I mean? Like I would rather have one completely separate for that particular, like just that, like travel and stuff, and then my vlogs and like my day-to-day, what I'm doing, where I go and stuff like that. So I want to have it separate. I feel like that's what I want. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I'm working on my video for the first YouTube, so definitely keep a lookout. I will let you know what it's going to be called. That way you can have a look and subscribe to that channel as well. But don't forget, I am going to be doing a lot on my channel, this one right here. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a heads up. I've been like brainstorming as to what I want to do. So yeah, I'm just super excited. Like I said, this year 2023, I feel like all the manifestations that I've been doing is coming in 2023. And I'm a person that no matter how many times I have been knocked out, I have been pushed out, I have been, yeah, I've been down, you know, I've been very down. So I'm a person that doesn't stay down for too long. That's what I'm trying to say. So I feel like 2023 is going to be a really good year for me and my channels, and I can't wait. If you haven't subscribed to Ozzie's channel as well, definitely subscribe to him. His channel is it's just, I love it because it's all about him. You rarely see me and Richard. It's literally about him. So definitely don't forget to check his channel out as well. I love filming him and I kind of feel like he likes to be filmed. So even though he doesn't say anything obviously and he doesn't show anything, but he doesn't mind the camera in his face. He really doesn't. So I can't wait, you guys, to see what next year brings. Like I said, I'm just super excited. So enough rambling. I'm gonna start. Oh, today was crazy. So today was Monday, and so on Saturday we had a huge like work party kind of thing. It was a pop-up show for it's a pop-up shop for this girl who lives in Vegas, and she's a well-known like fashion designer and stuff like that. Her name is Vintage Vandal, and her company's name is Vintage Vandalism. She had taken over the salon and shown her beautiful pieces and stuff like that, and a lot of people came and stuff. So she actually left a lot of stuff in the salon, and so today, because I live really close to my work, I ended up going to help him out, and it turned out to be an amazing day because, you know, we got to talking and stuff like that. We really kind of connected in a really cool level, and I saw like all these beautiful pieces and stuff. So it was a really good day. I love it. You know, even though it was my day off, I really don't care because I love doing those type of things. So, but yeah, so that happened today. So I was really busy. I left home at 11:20, and I just got back about an hour ago. So I got back here around 3 o'clock, and so it was a long day for me, you guys, but it was well worth it. But yeah, me and Richard, we're gonna go to Tucson and celebrate Christmas with his family and stuff, so I'm super excited about that. And then we have to go back to Tucson on the 6th because we have a wedding to attend. So I'm really excited about that, you know, like I said. And then it's my birthday, and like my birthday's on the 29th of January, so I'm just so excited. I'm turning 32, and I'm nervous, I'm scared, I'm just anxious, and all these emotions, but they're good emotions. I know you can come with us. Alright guys, so we're here, I'm drinking my soup. Hopefully it makes my tooth feel a lot better. Hey guys, so I put some numbing cream on my gums, like here, and I guess I did a lot, and it started to numb my whole lip. Like from here, there, I can't feel it. Like it was pretty bad. So Richard is trying it just to be a good sport. Just put like a tiny little bit. It's gross.
Like tastes like toothpaste.
But bad. Alright guys, I'll see you when we get home because the lighting here is pretty bad. Hey guys, so I am back home now. My goodness, you guys, I literally, my whole lip went completely numb, like I was saying in the car. I think I took way too much of this stuff right here. I put way too much that my lip and this whole side was completely numb. I just ended up taking some Tylenol. I got the strong ones because this toothache is just so bad. It hurts so bad, you guys. I woke up super early this morning and it was throbbing, like this whole side of my face was throbbing. I'm just so uncomfortable and I'm just like, oh, I just want to get it out, but it's so expensive at this point, you guys. If I can't get it, I might have to really think about what I need to do to get it out because it is throbbing. I don't want it anymore. I honestly think that it's unsavable and they just need to like put it like an implant at this point. It's pretty bad. I've had pretty bad teeth in my life, unfortunately. I just need this to be gone and then I can fix this one. This one is already touching my sinus right here. So this is why this nose right here is always blocked. So like I said, I've had pretty bad teeth. It's very embarrassing for me. It's very uncomfortable for me to talk about, but this is life. You know what I mean? Like this is true life where you're just like, in so much pain. And I feel like this week you guys is gonna be a rough one. Yeah, it's all coming all at once and I'm trying really hard not to break down. I did have a cry this afternoon with my mom. Like I was just so overwhelmed that I started crying, that I just needed to let it out. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm so sorry that it was like scattered everywhere, but I really have been super busy, and then this week coming up is going to be even more hectic for me. On Monday I have my work party. I'm changing my hair. Not only that, but then yeah, Monday is work party, and then Friday we leave to Tucson because we have Secret Santa with Richard's family. So it's just gonna be crazy. We're gonna be back by Monday morning, and yeah, and then it's gonna be New Year. Like how crazy. And then we have to go back to Tucson again because I have a wedding to go to. So I'm just like a little overwhelmed because I did not expect this tooth to give me such a problem. So I just feel like this was the last thing that I needed. But hey, I'm a trooper. I can do this. I can do this. I feel like the more that I say it, the more I believe it. So why not? All right. Thank you so much, you guys. I will see you in my next vlog. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll let you know about my tooth.